tukwaniriza nnyo ku Junction. Good evening. Suubira nti Jolly buli kimu kikutambulira ddala bulungi and you feel amazing. Well, tuguse the whole team okwogera ku ebyo, the things we tend to ignore or the things that we want to talk about naye nga tomanyi ani gwogenda okwogerako naye tunyumye ffenna tunyumye nawe bw'onyumya w'owuliriza ate nga bw'oyiga. Olunaku olwaleero twebuuza, is it possible to be too young to fall in love or to be loved? Like osobola okubeera omute nnyo okuba gwe baagala oba gwe beegomba oba okwanibwa okutandika embaga n'obufumbo. Is it possible to be too young for love?
It's possible.
Is it?
Yes.
I think so.
Hey, tukwaniriza nnyo ku Soul TV, The Junction. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. 2019. 2019. So tugenda mu life empya New Year ekibuuzo. Are you too young?
To be young.
Yes, olwo ndowooza nti bato nnyo ng'omuwala omulenzi amazeemu waana obubeere bwakasuna owulira those butterflies in your stomach n'olowooza nti kati osobola obufumbo.
Gange gakasuna naye siri too young.
Abalungi abaagalwa mmwe musinga mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala
Mami akimazeeko
okwettanira Junction Soul TV mwebale byonna bye mutukolera mwebale nnyo omwaka 2019.
You look amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Mulina bye mujja okukyusa waliwo ebijja okukyukamu engeri gye mwagalamu bannammwe abamu oyinza okuba bwa papa kati 2019 ng'oyagala kubaako
obuba watomera dda kakati genda eri mukama ekisange kyange kikino kye natomera
kwegamba omuntu myaka ki buto ki bukulu ki obugwanidde okwagalibwa. Nze ndowooza nti omuntu yenna takula bukuzi nga bw'owulira oluyimba nti tebankuzaakuza bankuliza ddala, kitegeeza nti obwongo bw'omuntu bukulu buli prepared, emmeeme y'omuntu nkulu eri prepared, n'omubiri mukulu nti bw'anaafuna olubuto taafune buzibu kuzaala. Exactly. So obukulu buno omuntu ayinza okubeera ng'emyaka gyandiba emitoototo myaka nga 19-20 naye ng'ate mwata obwongo bweteeseteese bulungi n'okusinga ow'emyaka 3 gw'osuubira nti really maybe atuuse. So I kind of think that it varies depending on baakukuza batya, genes ezikulimu ze wajja mu bazadde bo ziri zitya, bantu ki bw'associatinga nabo, mikwano ki, bantu ki byonna ng'oggyemu n'ebya weight kubanga obwongo buli prepared. Abaana abasoma ng'okyakwataganye n'ebitabo byo.
Well, let me start with this before we go any further. I believe society, it's none of your business. Number one, mulekerawo tulingiriza. How old am I? How old is my boyfriend or my guy, the one I'm dating? It's none of your businesses. Number one, age is just a number. You get what I'm saying?
So you can be 16
Celebrate whatever age you're at.
Oh, at 11 years, eh?
At 11, there are mothers at 11. And there are 40-year-olds who have failed to give birth.
Abo babeera defiled.
You should know that if I'm in love, stay out of it and mind your own business.
At what
mutulingiriza nnyo ne mutandika otulonderera abaana bato bali ku kiba papier. Tupapie gwe walwawo.
At what age,
I keep telling, whatever age you want to fall in love with,
9
as long
years.
as it's legal in the country you're in. My friend, as long as it's legal and you're not going to get arrested, in Uganda, 18 is legal. Bw'osanga kibebi kiwezezza 18 kikusanyisizza kyalako eri abazadde.
Ne bwe kiba kikyali mu ssomero
kyalako eri abazadde.
Kubanga ly'okubeera
bwe kiba kisiimye
18
bw'aba asiimye,
the
relationships are different because it doesn't mean that the moment you meet you're going to get married. Bw'oba osiimye beera oli haji yagamba buli kyosoma okufuna nkirina. Genda sasula school fees, mwana tandika omuzimbira golofa, wamalira osoma nga kiwedde kuzaala baana. Okitegeera? And do not make her pregnant before she finishes school.
Who will not make you pregnant when they are paying your school fees?
They are men. They are
when
men.
They are
I can make you happy in other ways without conceiving.
And how sure are you that that is the man you want or you are falling in love with?
Exactly my point. Are you in love? Are you in love? If you fall in love with each other and you come to a mutual agreement and understanding, move ahead. The thing is, you've told us about this. Top Give it time.
Sure.
If you believe you're not at the age that is ready for marriage, give it time. give it a few like years, like when at 18.
So what is the age?
What is the age? As long as it's legal. Bogena Musinga 12 is the legal age. I've seen Indians get married at 4 years.
In France, they are changing it from 15 to 13.
Because, man, they're
Indians 4 years.
No, I've seen in movies, I don't know. In movies, I've seen Goriva day or 2 days again. You get what I'm saying? As long as the age is legal in the country, fall in love with whoever you want and whenever you want. I've realized life is too short to live for other people. I've realized like we try to make everyone happy. Bananda babacha, banawulira bacha nti ndese omukyalo omuto okitegera nga bambi omusajja
myaka 8 ndese wa 12.
Nenga baby akusali
because this is what you're saying, sweetheart.
Okay,
exactly what you're
if
saying.
the 12-year-old is in love with her Jaja Muzei,
No, you
it's
said
okay.
age is just
it's
a
just
number.
a number. So if the 12-year-old is in love with her Muzei, muleke bapipire mu love zaabwe. Bibakwatirako.
Tamukutukireko.
Benga nga omwana atwala ebyobusika.
Naye kakati bazadde b'omwana oyo baba no.
You get my no, I've told you, you as parents and Aunt Sue and Bakula, it's none of your business.
It is
It's
our
my
business.
No.
Because omwana oyo ayina bazadde be.
Mutukozeseza nnyo ensobi.
Alina
Abazadde
abantu
yes.
be.
Yes, abazadde. But
Tulina
you
okula
and you.
omuntu alina okubeera nga n'obwongo bukuze kubanga obufumbo
Bwobukuza.
oluusi si mubiri.
Gwobukuze anti goyinza okundaba.
Obwongo, are you ready for the challenges of marriage and love and relationship?
Who
And
told
who
you I'm
tells
going to face
it's only going to
challenges?
be about challenges?
Me, I'm going to be
Can we
happily
try to
married.
look at the age as well?
Why?
Abantu emyaka.
Kigenda kukola kije gifumba mu
Omusajja
seppi.
ali emyaka jajja.
Okay,
Does
well,
your age
okay.
cook in the saucepan?
Not the
or
age.
does your age have
Okay,
sex
at
with your
times,
husband?
no, at times, Choino considering
Sex.
age comes with the size of everything. So for a young girl, okwesimba ku muntu w'emyaka 4 ng'okyali ku myaka
But you can be a 40-year-old
16,
when, you know, you're like, you stopped growing in P7.
Ebeera deformity, madam.
Yeah, but I'm talking about a normal man.
A normal person.
Normal person.
Auntie, you're
Age comes with a lot of things, Pavin.
You're spoiling this whole thing.
No,
We are not. We are telling you
You guys,
something. Nti
It's none
Pavin,
of your business.
when you look at my
Let me tell you,
10-year-old
if I'm a-
right
if
now,
I'm a 10-year-old
see what agenda okufaanana when he's 30.
Auntie kankubulye kati nze wemba bye mugamba sijja bisobola mbisobola.
Tewaliwo ojja bisobola.
Okay.
Leero oyinza
To me,
okubisobola. Oyinza
when
okubisobola
you
However,
However,
at
for a
that
short
age, at that
time.
age, the body is developing. It's able to enlarge and
But it's not
contract at
ready.
whatever point.
Development etambula mu
Actually,
phases.
when you conceive,
your elasticity.
yes, it's still superb. Ne, when yaka.
Oli mwana.
Oh, you recover, see.
Anti gy'emyaka emito.
When
Gy'emyaka emito Pavin. Gy'emyaka bamma emito
Wali
kubanga
wali
lasitiika eba tennakula bulungi.
no, what
Be bato. Ye fistula.
You're misunderstanding me.
I'm not.
What I'm saying is, Jaja wange,
Ngo
I love her so much. My granny, muyita mugenyi waffe. Bw'omusona bw'ati because of age, skin eddayo mpola. I think it's dehydration and age and all those things. Omusana. Negwe bw'okusuna olaba oddayo.
Yeah.
That's the elasticity I'm talking about. Of she's going to actually be able to conceive and snap back immediately. Then you've had wobisomesa n'otambula n'okumanya nti ogenda okubeera olina emyaka gya 35 plus oba 4 oba 5 ozale bagambe omwana talina we yekyusiza okitegera you've conceived because of so let people
Ng'oli
start
muto.
early and I would like to urge the public to stay out of people's relationships. Your people's happiness comes from your spouse.
The two people.
The two of you. I'm not going to okay, now on a serious note.
Yeah,
Most
you
of
are
us tend
serious.
to marry for you guys. For society. Of bananda babatia. Nsomye, ngenze nata
Pavin,
then you
too
end
young
up
for
cheating.
love. Nze wendo woleza. It's not about what you're being told or taught by your parents. Musobola okunkuzanga mungamba musajja mise what nembiga from childhood up to when I'm 18.
At 8 you're
Naye
ready.
nga nze sinabeera ready. Nyinza okubanga byonna nti byogamba nti nkuza
Okay,
sinkuza.
then don't say
Now-
too young for love. Say emotionally. Probably.
Yeah, because
But
you can be
age-
emotionally young.
Age isn't a
With
problem.
the age, you can still be young.
In age, nenga
Now,
kakulu.
Kyengenda olaba mu challenge in love.
Kukuza maama.
Oyinza okuba nga like wembanga mutudde wano muli kubyammwe not yet married. Olaba nga ekiri okay. Now we are going into a marriage nga Pavin omusajja ali 50, let me use 50.
Yeah.
Ali 50, oli 20. like 22, 23,
That's
25.
a very normal age.
Yes. Eri normal age, nti osobola okuzaala, you can have sex with your husband, you can please him, he can please you, sexually, financially. Kati ezibu kigenda okujira, your lifestyle together. Mugenda tuuka, ng'omwami ayagala kulaba musunsuzi, oyagala kugenda ku ichano.
Now that's
then mutandika okubeera yeje tugamba maturity.
Marriage is all about making each other happy. Let's meet halfway. Omwami woto mukiriza kukaddiwako oshegera if you are an 18-year-old
you are an
18-year-old he's 50 years oshegedde mukiriziganyiza muri mu love n'abazadde bakiriza and according to the constitution of Uganda it is okay. Guess what? Take him to the gym, mufumbire ku nakati, teka ukatunkuma, tomulisa junk food.
Now, if amanyawo kigenda okujja now, she's not too young. Now, this oyo mwana tagenda kubeera too young for love. He's going to be now oyo musajja kati kigenda kuva ku mwana tugamba omusajja is too old for this relationship. Otandise okukyuka.
You're not changing.
You're going to change.
You're living healthy.
You're not living healthy. We are going to see
the life that you grow up doing.
I'm sorry, I was going to use an example. I'm going to see
Kangeze.
No, I'm going to use people when money. Of course, signs are getting offended. Kangeze, nti Pastor Kaizi, ne Pavin. To Pastor Kaizi ngata nsogena mu gym, ayambala short to please Pavin. Move fitting.
You love it. No, you're the one finding it being a problem. Me and my husband, me and Mwami Kaizi are fine with it. Rwachi mutulingiriza. Society needs to find a boundary. You people mufuna kubye mukola.
Okay,
as
well,
people, as normal people, munonye ku business, musome ku Bible, go to church, find things to do and live our marriages and coupling behaviors alone. Because if I decide that I want, who are you to say I don't want? Oh, I'm not ready.
Anti kakati kisinzira n'abazadde. Waliwo abazadde abaagala obwagazi ssente. Musajja ono omuzeeyi. N'omwana omuwala nakkiriza ayagala omuzeeyi ono. Kubanga amanye essaawa yonna agenda mukutukirako amutwaleko ebintu ng'ekimuyingiza siraavu. Naye ekimuyingiza nga byanfuna. Emirundi egisinga obungi okubeera obwannamwandu ng'oli muto. Nga wandibadde osobola okufuna ab'emyaka gyo oba n'olindako n'okula ekimala. Tetuganye mama boat cruise. Tetuganye.
My point is anyone can die at any age.
Yes, true.
Anyone can get married at any age. Are you ready psychologically to do it? But do not say that because I'm an 18-year-old or because I'm 26 years old, I'm not supposed to be married.
Abawala abasinga, yes, nga gobogambi, they don't look at the age. Naye age comes with responsibilities.
It does.
Omuntu gyakoma okula n'okubanga ali ready because toys agamba nti no, marriage is going to be a smooth road. There are going to be challenges. Naye ku myaka gyo ogenda solo handling.
You challenge your marriage. Ours is going to be smooth.
Who says?
That is how it is.
It won't be. It won't be. You might have misunderstandings. You can be prayerful. Even Abraham got challenges in life.
Do you know, let me tell you, one thing about marriage, you're going to sit down with counselors or with people who have been there, 40 years plus, but what you call a challenge could be a walkover
for you.
Yes,
because we have different backgrounds. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes.
So do not look at me.
I'm not saying challenges yes, you can. Naye Pavin, waliwo ebintu byetugamba nti mulina okubanga mwembi we mutuula bwe mutuula maka you can reason we mutandika okwogera ng'obwongo bwamwe mwembi bukwatagana. That is marriage. That's a relationship. Everything that you're going to do.
Yes, and
now,
who told you
Pavin, abantu abasinga ekibatabula is when the man says, this is when a man says,
still not be compatible. So do not affiliate.
It is very true.
What I'm saying, my point is, before you actually misunderstand me, do not affiliate the success of marriage to age.
No,
I can be an 18-year-old or a 7-year-old and I make my 50-year-old happy.
But age comes with the brain ability.
Boo-boo, sweetie.
Okay,
now,
for
me, that's what I want.
What the man has married,
there's going to be a 30-year-old who can't reason.
No, Pavin,
that is right.
No, Pavin, bw'omuwala omuto owa 20 n'omusajja wa 50 akoze nga mula temugenda kuba ne challenge. Omusajja kyayagala ayagala yesuuma nti ekisooka ayagala kawala akati akagenda omuzaalira. Secondly, you cannot question him. He's 50 or 20. Pavin, ye mukazi gw'ayagala just to maintain and keep what is done already. Tayagala muntu gw'agenda mu challenging. You need a man you can challenge.
That's the reason why men cheat. afunye ogukyala guli waka guddofe. All she does is eat and grow fat and give birth, which is very good. Now, afunye akana kato. Agenda omugamba, honey, sweetie, jangu tugendeko mu bungee jumping. Chiri baby echewa
pressure.
Like I feel pressure, but he's going to die happy. Gomulamu gosaga gaguliko ka smile. Where was I? Dada smiling and malaika. Come no, the babe was making him happy. Ayagala mgame, honey, carry me. They want to have fun. You people are so boring. You're very boring. You get home in your marital homes and bore your husbands to death. Omsaje na for obubadi. What? That's what I meant.
Having nzikiriza, but let me tell you, ebintu ebiri njagala tusoka tubirowozeeko. Waliwo okubanga omusajja akuwasiza because ebintu ebyo byakulabamu yabisubwa nga tanafuna ssente.
Ngayagala catch up.
He wants to catch up, yes, that crisis. Kati gwe omuwala ozenga kidole kyayagala ozanyisa. Not toli mukazi we ye muwala kati teli musajja atayagala mukazi amuchallenginga.
Exactly.
Mundowoza. No, I'm not talking about just the physical.
Older women are just so boring.
I'm not saying older women should be boring.
Nti twala butwazi kubanga
obadde kale mbere sigamba nti omusajja no not to work for her omuwala ejjalimu ibyo jegambye nti akyachakala akyagala olaba ichano alabe Kardashian ayambadde atya ayagala yambale nga tempia now because kati goli mu midlife crisis kati bino bikunyumira bye wali inokola oyagala bikola kati that's why you go for a kid gwosinga emyaka 3 Chovogenda koyo muwala. No, omwala onagenda kutwala mu nsi.
What do you mean?
Omwala ekimu kwagaza, oyagala mwala agenda okutwala mu nsi gy'omisinga. Now with this woman of your age,
you need to, let me tell you, the most
this is going to be your keeper.
You need to mind your
own business. You don't need an entertainer in your home. You need a developer.
I'm not marrying Bukuku. Gatekeeper.
Munange babeera bakuku. Baba bawunya obukadde.
It's okay, I'll clean him, I'll clean my husband. Or if I need to change diapers, I will change them. It's none of your business.
As long
as he makes me happy. As long as I feel loved. Where you may think, oh, I know kunguri ice cream, oh, I'm going to suffer, I'm taking him to the gym. That is the life I've settled for. If I'm in love, I'm in love. Society needs to stop forcing us to fall in love with their ideal husbands. That's your husband, ideal husband.
Okay, now,
I want a 30-year-old
being young for love, sijitunulira ku age. Because nsobola okuba nga nina emyaka 2 nga ndi ready to be loved and kasitoba nga mu ababiri musobola okuba nga you're compatible nga musobola okkiriziganya.
If you agree with him and you fall in love with him, abazadde ne bakkiriza ne constitution ng'ekikubyemu stamp. Why not?
Okay, now this is the person gwe ngamba nti asobola okubeera young for love. Kasitoba nga omuntu gw'ofunye nga alina wakuswaliza. You're not yet ready for that love.
Oh yeah, that's bad.
Kubanga yinza kwa musajja mukulu.
Waliwo bambinga bitata bituswaza.
Then you're young for that man. You're too young for that man. And you're too young for his love.
I love him, but I don't want him to die on me. Oh. So I'm going to leave him somewhere.
Then why are you staying with him?
Mugabe honey, tulao, mile mi go roller skating.
Because of your energy, because of that energy, katwanondoza tuze mu age and love. Having, because of your energy, bana basajja abakulu bafudde, endwadde nga pressure. This guy is going to get Viagra because the woman is so energetic. Tasobola kukwa, are you keeping her up? The game. Pavin, you want to go for sex for over 30 minutes. The guy is too old. 10 minutes.
Makula, let me tell you.
These
young girls of 20.
Makula, let me tell you.
Pavin, young
if you
girls
want
of 20
to know
are killing men of 80.
one of the biggest fans of Tamla Nokumanya is me. Oh. Let me tell you, said at a certain age, boys are extremely what? Sexually active.
True.
Then, when they reach in their 30s, 40s, when they have so much on their mind, school fees, and
the sexual drive comes down.
Then, at a certain age, it increases. Those are the ones we want. The ones you told us at 50 plus. That one will manage me, will satisfy me, and I'll be happy. Let me tell you.
Okay. Yes, the urge is there. The urge is there.
Even the
but the heart
can't
handle that pressure.
That is why I'm giving him good green food. Mutwaleko mu gym.
Okay, kirungi omulisa bulungi, omulabirira bulungi.
Omusajja ogenda mutta.
Yes.
Atandika okuba mikwano gye, ogenda sa omusajja mukulu ali mu gundi mu club.
Aswala n'okutambula naawe.
No.
Taswala. Abasajja tebaswala.
It's all about if you know you're going to, let me say like an office meeting. Dress up in a kaftan, put on a turban, dress like, you know, a responsible lady. Ochari ku junction. Is it possible to be too young for love? Take it to our Facebook page. Give us your opinion. Tovao.
Soul Television, Femunyo.
Ochari ku junction eranga tuchagendera ddala maaso. Is it possible to be too young for love? Chetwebuuza. Is there a particular age where you say this one shouldn't be in love? Tebandi mukwanye yetagana mu kigo kumusibirayo. To fatten them and they come out ready.
Asoka akule. Love and marriage is about happiness.
Yep.
Kati waliwo omusajja omukulu ajjango muwala sagala muwala like you said nga ali below 18. Legally you're not supposed to be together. Singa kibadde kisoboka it would have been okay. Naye nze kyentya kwe kubanga mugenda tuuka ng'omwaswaza munne. Obo mwokulaba nga aswala because wano mba mwakekwana mulaba everything is possible excitement weri naye katugenda tuuka reality whereby omusajja alina okulaga mu mikwano gye mu family ye because you can't live without those people around you ng'alaba aswala okulagayo naawe ng'oyagala kulaga mu banno naye nga tosobola kasita mubeera nga toli comfortable na muntu ono then you're not ready for that relationship.
Probably I said it in a very rude and misunderstood way, but that's when I was begging society
to mind their own business.
Let's mind our own business. People tend to make
We're
mistakes.
in Africa, remember?
No, I don't care. I don't care. Like I deserve to be
where
happy.
Emmanuel is 20 years older than he's supposed to be your dad.
At the end,
I know you're okay. I know.
But anyway, what I'm saying is, society should think about these people. Okay, drawing away from this topic, like compare example of omusajja asigadde woyeka mukyala wafudde. Do you know they're going to be worried nti bwenaleeta omulala bagenda kulowooza bwe bati, like people fear ogenda okulanga akadi yaweddewo naye afudde in like a few months.
You sacrifice your happiness
because of your fearing what is society going to think. Because if you say I'm your friend Makula, why would you fear to introduce me to your, to your older man?
Naye
why?
Kirungi n'oyo afiisizza omukyala. Bwe tuba tutegedde nti omukyala bye yafa.
If you have a younger guy, temuseka
nze.
Okay, let's say like Vuchi.
Oyo abakyawunya pampa abagenda gwani naawe.
Vuchi mukulu mbadde.
Vuchi akyawunya pampa.
Yee, abo baana bato omuntu olina okwegerera emyaka naawe kuba kakati mzuuno
n'etimbye ku
Vuchi talina kyatasobola kukola naye omanyi nti ekikolwa kye mukola ekya sex mujja kuvaamu abaana nze nkyalina omugongo ogw'etikka abaana
si baana bagenda kumenya amagumba.
We always have to know that there's a result that comes in Vuchi abayagala baana kati waliwo bwe tutuuka ekiseera nga you have to come down to reality olabe nti kakati omusajja wa myaka 6 gw'omuwala oli wa myaka 2 mumaze muzadde abaana
omusajja agenda kufanga muto
omusajja ono lifespan ye enaasobola okusupportinga abaana be muzadde obatuuka n'abakulekera
n'afa. Let me tell you, that is the problem with that's the problem we are facing right now. As human beings, we spend so much time trying to please the people around us. We spend so much time living according to the certain levels and standards that people set for us. Someone came out there and said, when you're a girl, you're supposed to go to school, graduate, get married, get a job, have children, die. Oshtegera, wali wakati, have you lived for you as a person? Are you happy?
For the rest of the
year? No, you're living for your parents.
Have you pleased yourself?
Are you kujaganaring? No. You as a person? You're not. So if we started living for us, no manyati, yes. Who set the standards that what if
you don't live for only yourself, you live for even other people.
Why?
You need to balance it.
Why?
No, you need to balance it.
You're not alone in the
No, you're not alone in this world. But you
also need to balance up your world.
Olinamu omuzadde. Olinamu ba relatives. Olinamu society.
Omusajja ono gw'ongamba okwasa lwaki tomuwasa? Toliiwo.
Sigamye muwasa omuzadde wajjira ajja kwagaliza bulungi to guide you.
For the parents, guidance is very crucial and important. I told you, if the parents allow, the both of you are in love and you're not breaking the constitution, do not listen to anyone else. abakugamba ati munazaala mutya, it's none of their business.
Ne
They are
mba temuzadde.
surrogates today. Ne mba temuzadde. Ebyogamba nti ajja kuba wakazaala afe. I'll raise my child. Tebaliyo, and they are single mothers
And
with
that is
dead
the result.
husbands.
Yeah, your happiness.
That's my happiness. I would rather have a few moments of joy than having lived a fulfilled life according to society with no joy at all.
But do you know
Because
that
I'm making you guys happy. I'm doing everything that you want. You know, I'm going through something right now whereby if it happened, everyone else would be happy. But I'm sacrificing my own joy and happiness. I'm forgetting about the moment. I'm forgetting to love what I'm going through right now. It's like being at Salt, and instead of enjoying my job at Salt, I'm focusing on BBC because it was my dream job. Kati mu kifo ky'okunyumirwa the callers who call in from Namawojolo or someone who is telling me, Banayo, you inspire me every time you say this. Ndiku BBC jenkolerera. Are you seeing that you're missing out on this happiness? Because omanyi nti anti sune makula we bali bulira nti ndiku BBC, I'll be a fulfilled woman. Why? Mutulekeko tubere mu love y'ekisiru.
Pavin, omuwala nyinza okukkirizako. Pavin, omuwala ye nyinza okukkirizako nayingira happiness ye bw'alaba gyeri. Now for a man you can be too young for love. How? Oyinza okubanga omuwala gw'oyagala oba wa myaka ki, let's say yenkana Ntisu yenkana Pavin, you're younger than these two ladies. Ekibuzo kiri nti love is not just about making love. It's not just about going to the beach or having an evening walk. Now, what are responsibilities and financially, you need to make this woman happy. Yes. No, this woman you're marrying needs to be happy financially.
And sexually.
Yes, sexually. Wayinza okubanga sexually mwena mweyagala nga mwenjoyinga what you have.
Yes.
Na ye, this woman aina needs endala. So omusajja wengambira you're too young for love.
So do you think that all men are incapacitated?
Now,
some of them are because some of them their sexual drive is down.
Bobo musajja ngoine emyaka ago.
Pressure we biyingirira.
Anti so baweze emyaka 4. Emyaka 4. Ng'okyali muzigo ng'olina omwana abendi gw'oyagala okutwala. Emyaka gwe waakiri nfumbira ow'ekinana naafa omwaka ogujja nga mbadde happy than ow'emyaka 4 ng'ogenda kufa myaka 3 nga gyonna ngenda kuba sad. Ogenda kufa nga wootuukiza 8 ennaku gye nseemu nze nkusoose n'okufa.
Naye kakati oli mwambala n'afa. Ono omukulu bw'amala n'afa. Mukimanyi nti abakyala
those fears of happiness matter a lot.
Mukimanyi kitokkirizibwa kuddamu kuwasa
kufumbirwa.
Emirundi egisingako bagamba ennyumba y'omwami
togifumbirirwa.
Give them the keys, tell them bye-bye, move on to the next.
No, but how are you going? You deserve to be
Gena n'abaana bo. Auntie so you deserve to be happy.
Auntie so nja kikudanga mu
biganye. Naye kirungi okonsidering ebintu ebyenjawulo. Tosobola nga nti ogenda kola decision
emyaka kikulu, emyaka nga bw'ogamba kikulu. Naye omusajja bwe kidda kusaidia omusajja saagala myaka bw'oba ng'oli muto ng'oyagala omuwala nga mukulu akusinga emyaka 10, that's your business, you and your girl. Ekibuuzo kiri nti osobola okulabirira omuwala oyo no sustaining a class oba standard ejali oba omukazi oyo bw'oba oli musajja mukulu kati ono omulenzi omuto financially ono omukazi oyinza olowooza akola naye yeetagako at times n'omuwayoko ekintu nga kikyo ng'omusajja so kati oyinza okuba tonnabeera ready for that person. Bw'oba oli musajja mukulu nga tosobola kulabirira muwala ono kwenjoyinga bulamu bwe bwonna ayambaleko bulungi alabike bulungi atambuleko mu bifo ebirungi because when you're young you're supposed to enjoy that life. Bw'oba tosobola then you're not yet ready.
And then realistically talking,
first make the money
some people
and make your wife enjoy. Sabe myaka jo bavu banno. Siba myaka jo nonya bavu banno abagenda oguminkiriza.
Funa class yo.
Atelanga n'omwavu. Yetaaga na enjoyinga ko bulamu n'omuwala omwavu.
Twatusedde no mbavu banno.
Abavu wasaboka. Neda sikwe wasaboka. Omuntu gwenda bali young for love. Kwe kubanga omuwala ntosobola kusigaza joye because Pavin bwemba ndi nga bankuze bampa buli kimu. Njagala ntuuke eno wadde nkwagala ndeke ku missing home. I don't want to miss TV. Ndeke ku missing
bya kirasi yange.
Exactly. Oyinza kuba tobisobola naye at least mpayo kasente ngene nguleyo ku simu once in a while. Sagala mbere mbu nkwagala naye ng'obwavu bunzita. That love is going to fade.
Again, no muntu anazibikira.
Because
kati awokyali young financially.
Because the love I'm talking about, this love that's beating all
sacrificial
is not relying on money. Oshtegera. Like,
which love does not rely on money.
money is
Money
very
is a
important
necessity.
and crucial.
It is.
Very nze sigamba nagambye ddaba
Well,
n'abaana
huyo
nga
ogamba
tolina
genda mu
ssente tolina
gym.
mulimu towasa bireke kiriza
Lindako.
loosiyo. Then kyembadde ngamba kiri bwe kiti, the kind of love that I'm talking about is we need to exclude it from all these other standard factors of people deserve that genuine love and happiness. Oba kitegeera nti Auntie Sue, God forbid, oyinza okwagala omwami wo w'enjala akola enjala nga oba nga nakyakusanyusaako like nga yakuwa essanyu nga you connect n'omwogero ogamba okizije mukama. You know that love takyaliwo.
Like omuntu nakugamba nange mbadde kyembadde ndowoozaako.
God forbid. But I'm saying that love could, it should be like if it happens, you shouldn't be worried and ashamed to tell people
Let's
that
say,
is actually my guy.
Kati and Sue, olaba president of France, they are happy together. They don't have kids together.
Yes.
They are happy.
They are very happy. There's
Kids
buli
are very
muntu in the world you need to
but
be
they
happy.
don't
You
have
need those
them
moments.
and they are happy.
Yes.
Together. They're actually genuinely
They have
happy.
each other.
They have each other. That's the love that I'm talking about. Of tukirize eno nti ono wankaga, ono wabiri, but they are happy. And what I'm begging society
of... How long does it take? Are you going to be able to maintain that happiness?
Is not
kubanga waliwo okubeera nga abaana bano bagenda kwongera bond between you.
Happiness is
Auntie
not measured by
Auntie Sue, nze bwe ngamba
happiness
nti
is
no.
not measured by
I don't know
that.
what you mean. Naye nze kyendowooza nze bwe ngezanezya ne gamba that we connect.
Yeah? You are once in Namasagali.
Partially.
Or so many children were in for a long time.
Uganda Matters, Namgongo, and Trent College Nabingo.
Nabingo is that school I wanted to tell you about. Don't you have that one memory at school that you would kill for to keep, like to never forget? Nga wachiitamu of probably you had no grab.
Even
I'm not talking about boys over one.
There are those schools
a memory that made you happy.
For one term. Nenga kusingide the school you've been in for over 4 years.
Exactly.
Or a particular teacher that you remember in baby class.
That's
university no muyita ne ku graduation.
That's what I am talking about.
Auntie Sue, nze kyendowooza.
It doesn't matter. It shouldn't be happiness is measured by we had eternity together. But 40 years.
No.
Let me say, even if you've been together for 5 years,
you can be happy.
And probably he meets someone of his age. You think about those 5 years with no regret. That's what I'm begging people to do. Have your 5 years of no regret. Let him move on, but you know you gave it your all. And what I'm begging society to do is give people a chance.
Auntie Sue, sinakwata matoke. When you say these people connect, tekiriko myaka. Nyinza okuba nga bulijjo kyenoonya nkisanzemu ono omuto.
Twawule lust. Infatuation.
No one has said
infatuation or lust.
It's not infatuation.
No, we are talking about love.
That you may think you connect with this person, but when it is short-lived,
there has to be a reason.
Who are you to measure it for us?
How long it's going to be sustainable?
Who are you to think for us? Love, you people. I was reading somewhere. Thank you. I was reading somewhere and they said the sweetest things in life are not seen but rather felt. Give us a moment to feel each other. To realizing
and by the way, bully love etandika infatuation and lust.
Exactly.
You can't close it out. Egenda tandika you
lust over. Give us a chance.
Chigenda kubeera and Sue. But connection jegenda okugamba.
Infatuation and lust. Ngabo ogamya infatuation. That is extremely excited love that is uncontrollable.
It has to be there.
And lust means you want to lay down sexually with someone.
Auntie, so it has to be there when you love someone nga mwaka meeting.
Eyo mumuli lustful and
infatuation. No, wagenda okubeera self-control. No, we wagenda okubeera self-control.
Without even
Auntie
knowing.
Sue, have you ever fallen in love with this man? Naye nga bw'omulaba, you feel you want to go to bed with him. Naye because there is self-control, you have principles, you don't do it.
So that is what I'm saying.
Kati tugamba,
can we wait and see how much we can sustain it?
It's there. What I'm saying, don't sleep with that person.
There's no age too young for love. Don't think everyone does that.
But
no. And what I'm saying is, the other thing that I'm saying is, give them a chance.
which is okay.
Mwenga aba
Everyone
society
deserves to be happy.
How sure are you
Auntie
to what
Sue,
you're feeling?
so you know
give us
Manya.
a chance to
No
make our
Richard
mistakes.
feeling.
Auntie Sue katika nkubulire.
Let me make
True
my
love.
mistake.
A mistake may not
Auntie
be
Sue,
reversible. A
It's
mistake
okay.
may get you HIV.
It's okay. Was it worth it?
I'm not saying that you're going to
HIV
sleep with
You
someone.
live, there are people
no,
who are
tetugambye
living
no.
with HIV and AIDS, and they are fine with it.
Teri kwe
Auntie,
bakana muntu.
that will be
Do not,
okay.
yeah, do not,
if you didn't walk
do
there.
not, what is it
nga
called?
wandibadde
Have
osobola
sex
okubeera
before
careful.
marriage.
Yes.
But do you get what, like, give them a chance to date. Do you get what I'm saying? If you feel like nabagambye mutandikwa, bwaba muto nnyo, sasula school fees, zigweyo, nga bwe wezimba,
Ng'omusajja osasula school fees omuwala.
bwe mustadinga, ne bwabanga
Auntie Sue,
oli mukyala mukulu
bw'omala
ayagala mwana
ozisasula,
muvubuka
Auntie
mulenzi.
Sue, let me tell you
bw'omala
something.
ozisasula ate afuna owuwe gw'ayagala
But
ebyaddala.
you
No.
loved
How
and
sure
loved
are
genuinely.
you?
Love
Auntie
genuinely.
Sue, you
let
love
the other
and
person
love
sit
genuinely.
you.
Accepting ng'amaze n'azuula laavu ye
Auntie,
ey'eddala.
but for
Accepting
you,
and let go.
Auntie Sue, kyankugambye
Nga
kiri bwe kiti.
temutinganye.
Muli mugamba, is there an age that is too young for love? Kyankugambye, you people, love is never often reciprocated at the same energy it comes
Usually,
with.
yes,
Usually.
yes.
But if you genuinely give your whole self wholeheartedly to someone, the rest is left to God and that person. Auntie Sue, bw'obanga omuntu bw'amwagala n'endaayo yonna, like if you genuinely love me, nentuuka ekiseera lumu and I break your heart negamba Auntie Sue wanta mabichi, you tell God, you know what? No, listen. Auntie Sue, you tell God, you know what? I did my best. Those are people who love without regret.
I did my best. It
Those
didn't
are
work out,
people,
but
exactly.
I did my best.
Those are people who will
Auntie
not
Sue,
come and kill you.
when true
Ajagala
love
nasasula
comes,
school fees.
Auntie Sue,
And they say, well,
Auntie
it's
Sue,
okay. I loved
Auntie Sue,
genuinely.
bw'oyagala omuntu genuinely.
Love eri genuine mugiwulirira mu bwongo, mu mutima, mu mubiri.
Sisobola kunyonyola.
Unleashing
You get butterflies.
Let me tell you,
your
Auntie
heart
Sue.
beats. When you see the
Auntie
person,
Sue,
you sweat a little.
omuntu gwe njagala ye muntu gwe
Your
nsobola
palms
otuula naye
twitch.
and we connect mu bwongo nga byayogera omuntu yenna gwe nsobola okutuula naye nga sobola sustaining a conversation for more than 3 minutes mba tetusobola
You be
connectinga
boring.
kati anti njagala okugamba for me that's how I'm going to know that I love this person or we can connect, we can live together, we can stay together. Bwaba oyinza osanga ng'omuntu wali olabyeko nga mukwano Auntie Sue twenkana emyaka ne Pavin. Can't you be Pavin's friend? Omukulu w'emyaka gyo nakulema okubeera mukwano go?
Kituufu.
It can happen. The same with love. The same with love. Katonda connection ebeerawo nga tatundidde myaka. So musobola okuba nga temulina myaka. Musobola okuba nga emyaka temugira naye nga amagezi go n'omwana golaba ng'omuto. Golaba you're on the same page. Ono mukulu munno yakula mubiri obwongo bwaki? Bwa 4 years.
Yeah. Exactly.
And with love, this
Thank you
person
so
is going
much.
to give you all the joy.
And
When mudde
happiness.
waka, she cares because akwagala care will
Mulyawo
flow
kidadi, tosobola kutamu
naturally.
kutemu nga tu- I'll
Naye
remove
okimanyi
them.
nti abantu
I'll take off your
Massage your toes.
shoes, then your hair.
Right, abantu balowooza nti love is sex. Automatically.
It's part of it. It's part of
part
love.
of it, but it shouldn't be on the front line.
Watugamba wano ye pira esinga obunene mu nnyumba.
Pira nkulu.
No, yatugamba omukazi you are
I will
created
carry
to
my cross.
Be-
Naye bw'obanga wakatandika
That.
relationship, nze kye ŋŋamba. Bw'obanga wakatandika
You know that
relationship,
Yes.
it's a pillar.
why should it be the very first thing?
No,
that
it's
you
not
We're
the
not
very
saying it
first
should
Why
be.
should
thing.
someone tell you bw'oba tompaddeeko? Sorry.
Oyo
Well,
takwagala.
yes.
But that's what
Nti
they say.
tonjagala.
That's what they say.
Anti
See,
kati oyo aba
olaba
takwagala.
Pavin nti oyogedde bulungi nti omwami ono nga munaaza ku bigere ne musala ku njala
Asigambye
ne
ebyo byonna,
mulongoosa
lekera okwongera-
okiraba
No.
there are so many
Teri
other
agambye
things
mulongoosa,
abantu
genda eri genda olongoose
Bw'ogambye,
basajja bo.
Sinabigamba.
era nga bibagamba nti ebintu ebyo bisobola okuzza omukwano
Ng'owazizza
Ate
omuzeeyi,
mubigaana.
Tebizza.
ng'owazizza omuzeeyi,
Ne bw'oba towasizza
ng'olina omukyusa
muzeeyi.
pampa. Naye omusajja alina
Ne bw'oba towasizza muzeeyi.
tonkyusa bearing.
Kakati enjawulo ki
Ngenda kuva
eriwa?
ku eri topic nzire ku yeeno.
Eriwo okumukyusa pampa n'okumulongoosa
Bw'abanga I'm in love and it's a decision I've taken here with certain age wakyogedde dda wajjawo n'ebintu ebirala bingi nti buli you're going to and the back is going to hurt okitegeera you massage ng'omuddaabiza
Because of love, there is
because
love.
I love you. But if I'm doing this because you were raised and told that a woman is supposed to do this for you,
But
my
how
friend,
long are you
have a
going to
problem in your nut.
sustain the massage? Totuuka ekiseera n'okoowa.
When it is love and genuine
Omusalaba ne
love,
guzitowa.
when you love, you nurture. You know
Do you
this?
know that
when
love
you love
has
a
a
woman,
limit?
when a woman loves, a woman nurtures.
Do you know that love has a limit?
Waliokubyeko omwana wo teeke n'omugoba ebweru mu nnyumba?
N'amala nadda. Do you know that love has a limit?
Wanji.
Time etuuka love eno. Love eno eri infatuation. Nekendeera.
Anti so omwana yali akoze eki.
Mulina okubanga mulina ebisobola okubatwaza obulamu ne bweyongera mu maaso yadde ssente zikendedde. Sustainability weeri.
The topic is age and love. We said that some things that are constant.
Auntie Sue, Choino Manya, this man is not marrying a business partner.
You have to be sure of that.
No, Choino Manya, role yes, so sekulabira musajja ono mu making her happy. Bwaba yagala business contracts, ayina abantu bagendo sange bweru. Outside your home. Abasobola muyambako college. Gwe Choino muyambako. Kwe kubeera nti buli lwava nga ali stressed. You pamper him. He sleeps well. He eats well. Then nafuluma n'agenda. Bw'aba yagala pastor juzi yagamba nti omusajja bw'atuuka okulya emmeza gijuza amasowaani. Just do that omwe fruits omwe vegetables then bino ebikazi ebikaddiye kye bikola bikwata omusajja ennyama enva supu n'okwata ennyama n'ogiwa mu mmere omusajja nti okuza emyaka anti olowooza obufumbo wabumala n'obiyiwaawo oyambala gomesi osiba mu gomesi ewaka osiba mu bitengi.
Junction. Age and love is the question. Is it possible to be too young to be loved or to fall in love? Give us your opinion on our Facebook page. Do not miss out our links on our YouTube channel. Tovao.
Soul Television, Femunyo.
Okyariko Junction, twebuuza. Is it possible to be too young to be loved or to fall in love?
Like I said, men, what you manage, tosobola supporting this woman financially, sexually, then you're young and too young. Sexually, what I mean,
you could be 60 years,
yeah,
but
you
young.
You can be 60 years. Now, financially, oyinza ogamba finances sinkulu naye enkulu nga ya myaka ebiri omwana ono muto akyayagala okuba nga afuna ku because omulembe tayetaaga kumisinga bintu ebimu tayetaaga bisubwa abeere mu marriage yo ng'agamba singa nfuna abimpa I know bw'aba ayagala iPhone gye yeetaaga ali mu 20s, that's what she's supposed to have. Ab'emyaka gye balina talina bimisinga.
Bw'oba osazeewo okumwerippako ggwe musajja
mukulu, you have to call. Bw'aba ali out ne banne tutudde ne Pavin as an iPhone ndi myaka gye gimu ne Pavin tugenda tula ntandika okugamba kale singa osanga na like that. Then sexually emyaka gyo nejje gibale. Are you ready for 24/7?
Why do you make it seem like a marathon?
It's not a marathon. It's the energy and the body. Wants
the
it.
Energy and tactic.
To either get a young man omu pleasinga because gwe oyagala mulundi gumu olunaku because your body tesobola chandolinga amagumba go makadde omutima ate kuluma ate pressure nga ate ye energy jalina ayagala in the morning lunch time buli lwakulaba ayoya then yolegulo bwakulaba kayoya you're bathing ayoya ekiragoloko sayoya then yakukyuse omanyi missionary aje aina style jayagala then omugamba okugulu kunuma abasawo banganye okola kino simanyi baganye okola kino simanyi bakole she's going to look at you abere naawe abadde akwagala ne love erigera tandika okufedinga slowly because walobye otatukiriza so osobola okubanga oli young nemino netobisobola. That makes you young for that relationship.
Ajja kwenda by all means.
Usually abakazi to adjustinga. Omusajja wabeera wana ngo obeera ngo wana. Wabeera wankaago obeera nga wankaago.
Well, I believe in all this, I think you're complicating this thing that we call love.
Love is a responsibility.
Precisely speaking, and as I conclude, allow us to be in love with whoever we choose to be in love with. As long as my heart wants and my body wants, let me be. Oba I'm infatuated, oba I'm lustful, ndeka, I'm not committing a sin. My parents have allowed, we have walked down the aisle. Now, society, please mind your own business. You're making us make mistakes. We end up marrying people we think you're going to be okay with. I should marry someone I'm going to be okay with. Let them be 80 years, 90, 50, 40, 20, 15.
12, 11.
Constitution tekirizayo. So, but as long as it's a legal age, let me experiment with this age. It's like a platter for me. Do not restrict me to a certain age bracket. because that's
certain
what
woman
society
or
is
man you
okay
want me to get
with.
married
Or
to.
restrict me to a certain kind of woman that, oh, you have to get this kind of woman. So when manja gaside queen right to
Oyo musajja yakusobola, oyo musajja omukazi yajja
Oyo
kuwesa
mjala
ekitiibwa.
what is this?
What is kuwesa ekitiibwa, by the way?
To who? Whom are you making happy? You're going to be with this woman that everyone approves of for the rest of your life. Yet the slave queen will understand you. By slave queen using it as layman's language, because me I have another interpretation for it. But people say that slave queens are the ones of, that's all they do. They just look nice, bichi. I have a totally different interpretation. I think a slave queen is someone who takes care of herself, sets her standards, looks beautiful. It's okay to look beautiful. When nyuma gurach tona abano yambala bulungi. When nyuma ne nyambala bulungi nti mama slave queen, what is your problem?
Yeah, I think omuntu alina sacrificing your happiness.
Yes, for society.
For society, because they always talk. Nobo oyagala gwe balowooza nti muli perfect bagenda funa kye bamulabako bagwe bagenda funa kye bakulabako ekibi. As long as you're happy nti we muggala ennyumba ne mubeera munda, teri agenda kulwana, teri agenda kwejjusa, then that's enough for you. Bwe mufuluma waliwo abagenda osanyuka nga muli together nabatagenda sanyuka, and you're not there to please everyone. The devil will never be happy.
And
so
in conclusion, what
pleasing
people need to understand is when
happy.
you love genuinely, the love that we have been talking about,
they'll appreciate
even
it.
when the love is lost, you're not in regret. Because it happens. By love being lost means it could be death, or
You
it
need
could
memories.
be certain change of, but at that moment we actually loved and loved deeply. And we have no regrets of
Enjoyed each other.
We enjoyed each other in various ways. Yes, we have even a fruit, like a fruit of our, marriage and stuff. We have kids. Abana balabirire. Yes, omuchala mujukire mama wabana, the woman that you once loved. I'm not telling you to love each other at that moment, but look after the kids because they were fruit of your beautiful love. Once you have something beautiful like that, you live with no regrets. But because bananda babatya, banawulira bati omusajja agenda kuttira mu nnyumba,
ng'oganye okubeera happy.
In conclusion, omuntu yenna okwagala oba okwagalibwa beera nga weeteeseteese mu bwongo. Don't use only emotions. The feeling ya love, infatuation, elastic, kyayitiddewa okoma okwo. Naye have a reasoning capacity. Bw'anaafaako nga bukyali. Oba bwe tunaakola.
What if you die first? What if you die first? What if you die first? What if you die first?
We are concluding.
Who says it's the men to die first?
He may be 8 years no fear.
Ayinza okuba 80 gwe n'otomera boda oba boat cruise. Thank you.
Are we starting the show afresh?
Yes, we can start.
We can do this again.
Wamma kirungi nnyo okuteekamu reasoning capacity, okuteekamu emotions entuufu, n'okuteekamu omubiri gwo nti gweteeseteese. Ekirala, abaana abakyasoma nga mukyali mu myaka egisoma, si kirungi kugabattukana mu bintu bya njawulo kubanga mentally your brain can only handle the academics. Lwogezaako okwasaganya by'otasobola.
I know you're concluding.
Ojja kwonooneka, oyonoone chances zo, oluusi ofune embuto z'oteetegekedde mu buli ngeri yonna. Anti kakati lowooza bazadde bo ki kye baagala.
Pavin, sina bazadde. Olina okubanga omukazi mu nsi nawe obadde olinayo purpose. Everyone has a purpose. Pavin, everyone has a purpose in this life. Know your purpose. Olina okubanga olinako dream gy'obadde olina okulaga waki ky'oyagala okubeera. So study, then after school genda n'omusajja oba diverting anti sente z'ogenda okukolera onaazirina.
Laavu jangu ogikime
ng'omazeeko zino level sooka for respect. For respect.
Nga Mukama amukuwa omulala.
Bw'oba ofunye chance ya senior 4 gimale ne senior 6 then after senior 6 then settle with your chiman. Nesoko omulage nti nawe olina ky'obadde pursuing.
Anyway,
yes.
the other thing about
he'll treasure you and value.
I didn't want us to delve into these things. Kubanga yes, omusajja wakulaba nti gwe bakutwala butwazi. Of course agenda kussaamu kitiibwa. That we know. Like in the beginning, as I said, all factors set standard of omanyi sente weziri, we mugenda okubeera weewali. The age is legal, abazadde bakkiriza. Wano tuconcentrating ku love. Love weeri.
Obwongo bweteeketeeke. Emmeme yeeteeketeeke.
Love tetambula just kigambo kyokka.
The body is always ready. Emmeme yeki.
The body may not be ready.
Be ready.
Because what comes from sex is a pregnancy.
Fistula.
Yes.
And
Let
it
me
can
tell
affect
you,
you.
Zaddy is going to take me to a good hospital.
Omusajja nga munene
Which-
nnyo
which
nga
hospital?
A very
tomusobola.
good
Do
hospital
you know how
whereby
many
they'll
girls
be-
die
mundeke,
because of the
mundeke.
old men they are having?
Ogenda
Age
ofuna
comes with
olubuto
size.
nga nabaana akyali
Fistula,
muto.
kakubulire ku myaka 18 gavumenti gyegamba you can't get fistula.
No, I'm talking about
Kisinziira
girls
omubiri
who
nga
are right
gutwa-
now watching
omubiri nga
abagamba.
gukula mpola.
Nsobola ogenda mu 15, my body is big.
No, I told you it has you people tenja kuba omwana gwensanga mu relationship ey'ekisiru 18 years and above. Constitution has allowed it.
naye omanyi nti
Tosobola kufuna
18 years
fistula.
ayinza n'okuba alimu ensifo ng'akyasoma
Anti
oba
soma,
esipiri.
I've told you, you need to set
Basooke
your
basome.
standards.
Yes.
Bwe bakutwala butwazi nti bampalula buwaluzi. That is
so-
madness.
Okay.
Set standards.
Auntie, so I'm going to differ a little bit.
But the other thing is,
Twako
even
okulu-
40-year-olds
When you're
get
20,
fistula.
bw'oba
So
okimanyi oli
mutuleke.
20, ng'oli mu senior 4, you feel you're ready for marriage, go ahead and get married.
ebitabo bireke.
Ebitabo bino bireke, ogenda kunona fees, ebirowoozo
obwongo
bibiri
buno
eri.
buba bukuze
Owonga
kuze.
asabutandika
Bino
otwalibwa
ebyokuwoza
omusajja.
nti oli wa
Pozinga,
musajja
go get
gy'ova.
married, come back and
bwe
finish
w'omusajja
school.
gy'ova
If
n'ogenda
you're in form
osoma.
4 and you're 20 years old,
Oba
ogenda kuba
olimba.
okwana abasomesa.
Nete tukwana basomesa gwe
But it
tegeera
can't, you can't
omulamwa.
help yourself.
Oba si
Yeah, I
kifumbirwa.
get you that. Nina omulamwa gwe njagala
Fumbirwa ogende mu
Pavin.
adult
Simanyi,
education. Gyeri.
Waliwo
ova mu
kintu-
bufumbo
so-
n'osoma.
You guys need
It
to
is
give me
there.
an answer.
But
Waliwo abaana ba university bempulira nti ba lecturers babakozesa for results. Really? Lecturer akozesa atya for results? Did he take off your part? Did he rape you?
I was
First
not
time,
used for
second
results.
time?
I was not used for results. I was never used. Jesus, do not misquote me. But I've been there. I've been there.
Then why,
We'll-
do you,
we'll do
why
it as
don't
a
you
topic.
report before it's done?
You can't.
When you sleep with the man the
Abasinga,
first
they
time,
trap
second
them.
time?
No, there's
Abalala
no
baba
trap.
babakozeseza.
There is no trap.
There's no trap.
So I've ever been at university.
Fellow professor,
Yeah.
ayinza okwagala okusuula oli.
People have suffered from
N'abaako-
high marks for over
No,
3 years.
anti so
and it's
nafunako
because of a certain-
That's why,
nafunako
baba
retake
baguze,
no
basuule bali.
anti so
There's a
nafunako retake ku
possibility.
university nga lecturer ayagala sex.
Me, they never asked for
Byabamu ebyo
sex. It was
bibaamu.
money.
Fena tuli bakasimatuko.
But I was ready for a retake.
Naye
Going back to
tetwawaayo.
tujagikola.
Mujja kumulyagana ga university agasiro agasibisa
Is it being
abasomesa.
too young?
How
Is
long is the love going to be sustainability? Awo emadde mmalira.
atumalirize kati kubanga ekintu kya love kino tugenda kumaliriza ssaawa ndooza 10 ez'ekiro. But anyway, give us your opinions on our Facebook page. Is it possible to be too
Auntie
young to
Sue.
be in love or to be loved? Tubaagala nnyo. We have to sign out for now. Till next time. Bye-bye.